Hello, today you're looking at a Perrin 52 cubic foot air over hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. The plates for these are located right here, as we'll quickly walk over. There are 46 1200 millimeter plates. They're non-gasketed, as you can see. Back to the press, it has been fully refurbished. Comes with new plumbing there on the left. Overall dimensions 220 inches long by 56 inches wide by 75 inches high. Has all new parts and pieces on the inside, the pump, all the tubing, all the hoses, everything is brand new. Does have a rebuilt cylinder. Very nice condition. Come along here, we will now turn it on so you can see and hear it run. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.